This week's Haftarah has the prophet Yechezkel being instructed to take 2 sticks, branches, pieces of wood, staves, not 100% clear, and to write onto the 2 of them the names of the respective kingdoms or representations thereof. And he's told to put them together in his hands and that they would fuse to become one. And when people ask you, what's up with this, explain that this is a metaphor. It's pretty straightforward for the 2 kingdoms joining together, and my servant David will be over them. They will have a single kingdom and all that. I wonder how much of this, though, is cause and effect. How much they will be brought back together because of the restoration of the kingship, the Messianic era, and how much of it is that they will have the kingship restored. The Messianic era will come about because they've come back together, because they've stopped acting in a disparate fashion. I think that's the true answer there, really, that the sages say that the temple was destroyed because of baseless hatred. It'll be rebuilt through baseless love, when people care for each other, simply because you're my fellow tribesman, if you will. You're my fellow human. In that way, the redemption will truly come. But first we have to be unified. Think it over. Shabbat Shalom.